Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and this is my channel. So today is going to be another one of those get ready with me's. Get ready with me's are very easy to film. I know a lot of YouTubers are doing them these days, and I actually enjoy watching get ready with me's now more than like regular makeup videos, only because I can get ready with it and it's just more interesting to me, and especially if it's like a first impressions type of video or like a review of some type. Just kind of what I've been personally into. And so if you guys want to let me know if you don't like it or anything like that, just let me know down in the comments, because this is kind of the easiest to do if I'm in a rush. So if you guys want to see what I do, what I talk about, all that good stuff, then keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Why do you interrupt every time I start filming? I'm gonna do my best to not black my face like I did my last video. I'm so sorry about that. That was a mess. I actually wasn't going to upload that video just because I was kind of like, this is awful. Like, I wouldn't want to watch something like this. But I did want to kind of put a video out there for my 1 year anniversary on YouTube, which is super cool. But it's fine. It's in the past. It's done. I zoomed in for you guys so you guys can actually maybe see what I'm doing rather than squint. So how's everybody's summer going? Mine's going okay. I'm just working. The summertime seems to be like a slow season for the mall, which is where I work. Me personally, I'm not really doing anything this summer. I don't know what you guys have planned, but I would love to know, because I feel like every summer I just don't really do much. Still using the same pomade from Anastasia. I was gonna go lighter, like for a lighter shade, but it's not really necessary. I don't feel like, I feel like the dark brows are still in, so it's cool. I get a lot of questions about my brows. People always want me to show them how I do them, and like, I have like my videos, so I'm like, watch my videos, girl. I don't really talk about it like that. I'm just like, yeah, I mean, start out with a nice base, meaning let your brows grow out if they're not. I know not a lot of people are able to grow out their brows, but you can at least pluck them in a certain way, or like wax them a certain way. That makes it a little bit easier for you. They also sell like conditioner for your brows and like something that can help let them grow. Brows are so hard for me to do on camera. Out of everything I do, brows and eyeliner. We just had like I feel like everybody had a massive heat wave recently, and I don't like going outside. Like, I do, but I'm just saying, especially when it's that hot, I'm just like, nope. I think I'm gonna make my look today kind of like more like a summery type of look, like using a pop of color that I normally wouldn't do, because I definitely gravitate toward neutral tones. I'm gonna be using this palette today. It's the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It's a nice combination of colors. Like, you see your neutrals there, you see your pops of colors. I've used it like 3 times now, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, some of the shades are really nice, but I'm having that skipping issue, which I feel like I have with a lot of Urban Decay shadows. So we'll see what happens. First, I'm gonna go in with Weekender. It blends out. That one blends out really nicely, but it's very close to my skin tone, so it's not really gonna, just a transition shade. And I'm just using a fluffy Morphe M44. Oh, there we go. What are you making? Hello?
You did say make as much noise as possible, right?
Yeah, but really? Can I do your makeup? What? Your family wants to see how beautiful you can really be.
You know what, that's right, they do.
Alright, so I'm going in with Riff. I don't know why, but on camera, It almost looks like my eye is bruised, and that's not how it looks in real life. And it doesn't matter how much I blend it. Alright, I'm gonna go in my outer corners, and I haven't tried the shade yet, so we'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna use Punk right there. Trying to go in with a minimal amount. I'm just gonna go on the outer V here. I'm gonna try this light, very light shade. It has a little bit of sheen to it. It's called Breakaway. I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner from Urban Decay in Glide Eye Pencil in 0. Got these new watermelon wipes from Sephora, and I'm just wiping away. I'm gonna try to help myself make a wing. So I apologize if you can hear like a fan in the background. It got a little hot in here. My wings, we're just gonna ignore. So as you guys know, I already went in with the Estee Lauder mattifying primer. I'm just gonna go in with my Milk Blur Stick. So yeah, I think the only thing fun I'm doing this summer really is me and Pat are going to get massages. That's pretty much it. I'm getting a lot of compliments wearing this. I finally got it to not break apart. Go with my beauty blender. I hate using the pink one, but I am. And I'll kind of go in with like a concealer now after I do foundation. I just feel like this looks like almost every single look I've done before, but it's okay. And I promise you there is bake on there. I just don't go heavy with the powder. I can't wait to try the new Born This Way stuff from Too Faced. I'm like never really a big Too Faced fan, as I've said before, but I think it's really cool that one, they were extending their foundations, because I've been saying that, and so is everybody else. Like a lot of brands are just really exclusive to certain skin tones, and I think it's great that they came out with a few more with Jackie Aina, and I really like her for doing that. I think it's just really amazing. It's just starting a whole revolution ever since Fenty. Their new concealer, I haven't personally tried. I've swatched it and it looks almost just like the Shape Tape. So I'm super excited to try that out. Gonna set my brows real quick with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel.
Oh, my name is Lauren. Put makeup on my face. I think it looks nice.
And my shirt.
And my shirt.
I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker bronzer, which I usually use this one. Tarte Park Ave Princess, which I really do like this bronzer. Is anybody else like sick and tired of the iridescent makeup trend? Because I am. Like I did kind of an iridescent look in my last video, but that was just for fun. I don't actually do that. Oh, what highlighters do I want to use? I think I'm gonna use an oldie but a goodie. Do you guys remember this palette? I feel like I've used it on this channel, but it's fine. This is, I want to say, their very first glow kit. Mine's filthy, like beyond reasoning. As you can see, I've hit pan on this shade, which is my favorite, the Crushed Pearl. Starburst is actually, I think that's the only one in this palette that is actually in another glow kit that Sephora still sells. And I think it's called Sun Dipped. No, I'm wrong. What is it called? Sweets? Yeah, it's a Sweets palette. And that's their newest glow kit. I feel like I should have picked it up, but it has the Starburst shade, and it has another shade that's in another glow kit that is no longer available. So I'm gonna go in with that Starburst shade. Oh, I didn't even do my pop of color, the whole point of the video. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with that Weekender shade again, that light beige. So I'm going in with Guilt Trip right there, that purpley shade.
Background music.
What kind of background music have you listened to?
This is your background music.
It's not mine, I know that. Now I'm gonna take the black shade right there. It's just called Jet. I'm just kind of smoke it out a little bit more. So this doesn't even look like purple now, but it's fine. It's fine. This palette, it's okay. Going with this old school Sephora collection in Rose Petal Blush. I feel like it shouldn't look like that, but. Then I'm gonna go in just with my translucent powder. Face is done after 6 hours. I've been really weird, but like I've been mixing my mascaras, if that makes sense. So right now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Cameras Lights Lashes mascara, and I have the cool packaging. Coat my lashes. This is a new like peachy tone lipstick I bought. I didn't use it yet. It's from Sephora collection. It's number 74 in their lip stain. Whew. She's bright. I'm gonna have to return that one. See how this ColourPop one works. I have not used this in years. It's midi. Oh my god, can I just cut off my lips? What is happening? Oh my god. My lips are so raw. I don't know how people do lip swatch videos because... Oh. Alright, I didn't want to do this lip, but I am going to have to. Bare Minerals in Juju. It's their liquid lipsticks. They're actually very hydrating, I find. My lips feel so much better. Alright, just don't get a close-up on my lips right now because... And last but not least, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All-Nighter. I don't like to use this one, but because I'm going out, I'm going to have to. This is my final look. I know it doesn't look much different than all of my other videos, but that's because I messed up, and that's what content I put out. So if you guys enjoyed, I hope you did. If not, I'm sorry. If you did, I would love it if you liked and subscribed to my channel and liked my video and all that good stuff. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So hopefully I will see you guys on my next video. Have a nice day. That was a rough one, Molly. That was really rough. Meow. Meow. Okay, bye.